Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share my most requested video, which is my everyday curls. When I curl my hair like this, the curls usually last for 2 to 3 days. So today I'm going to give you a breakdown, show you every step that I take to make those curls last and all of the products I use. So let's get started. As you can see, my hair is naturally pretty straight. I washed it this morning and I just add a little bit of mousse to it just to give it a little bit of body, and that'll just help the curl stay in a little bit better in clean hair. So the mousse I used is Kenra, and this one's called Whip Grip. It's just a light hold mousse, and like I said, I just add that just to give my hair a little bit of body and help that curl stay in a little bit better. So to start, we're just going to brush through our hair, make sure that it is tangle free, because you really don't want to curl your hair if it has tangles, because that'll cause it to break. So once it's all brushed through, I'm just going to keep it parted on both sides, and then I'm going to clip it up into 2 sections. To do this, I'm going to use these little clips. These ones are T3, and I think they came with like my hair dryer or my curling wand. I'm not really sure, but any of these little alligator clips are going to work great. So I just section off about half of my hair and then twist it up and clip it into place. And I'm going to do that on both sides. This is super cute. So once you have your hair all clipped up, you're ready to start curling. And before I curl, I am going to use a heat protectant. This one is Paul Mitchell Hot Off the Press. It's just a thermal protection spray because we don't want to fry the ends of our hair. So this one's a very lightweight spray. I'm just going to spray it mainly on the ends of my hair. To get this curl, I'm going to be using the T3 wand, and this is the 1-inch barrel. I've been using this one for years and it is my absolute favorite. You can use it a few different ways to get different types of curls, but today I'm going to show you my absolute favorite. So I'm going to start by taking a small section of the very front of my hair. It's about a 1-inch piece. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to point the curling wand down, and as I wrap my hair, I'm going to twist it just a little bit. So wrap, twist, wrap. I'm going to leave about a 1-inch piece at the bottom. So I'm going to keep doing the same thing throughout the entire bottom layer of my hair. So again, I'm just going to pick up a small section, about a 1-inch piece. So I start a little lower, so about 1 or 2 inches down. And again, we're just going to wrap it around, twist, wrap around, and leave a little bit at the end. I only leave it on for a few seconds, and my wand is on the highest heat. I do that so that they last a little longer, and when I curl my hair like this, it usually lasts about 2 days before I have to curl it again. So it's definitely worth doing the higher heat, and that's another reason why I do use the heat protectant on it. So again, just wrap and twist. We're just going to do the exact same thing through the rest of the bottom layer of our hair. Now we're going to switch over to the other side, and we're just going to do the exact same thing. And I forgot to mention, you are going to be curling away from your face this entire time. So like I said, we're just going to take it, wrap and twist. And I do hold it for just a couple seconds. I feel like it just helps the curl stay in a little bit better. That way it doesn't just drop completely straight when I let go of it. So I just drop it into my hand and just lightly scrunch it and let it cool down a little bit. Now that we have the bottom half curled, we're just going to push that to the back and go ahead and let down the top layers. We are going to spray in the heat protectant, and let's get curling. And when I'm doing the top layer, I really like to make sure I start the curl down lower. Like I said, it just makes it look a little more natural. You don't want the curl starting too close to your scalp, because then like it loops up and it just doesn't look as good. We're just gonna start, it's probably about 3 to 4 inches down. And again, we're gonna leave 1 inch at the bottom. Once I have my hair completely curled curled, I like to loosen it up and fluff up the curls a little bit. So I usually just like to run my fingers through my hair just to knock them out a little bit. This will make them look more natural and we'll fluff them up. Next, I'm gonna go in and spray it with some dry texture spray. Right now, I'm using this one by Kenra, and it's just gonna add fullness and texture all throughout my hair. Plus, it smells really good. That stuff is amazing. I swear it makes the biggest difference in your hair. Another thing I like to do is add in a little bit of dry shampoo. And like I said, I did just wash my hair this morning, so it is technically clean. But my hairdresser told me that if I add dry shampoo on clean hair, it actually helps keep your hair cleaner longer, and it'll start absorbing the oil as your hair produces it. So anytime I curl my hair and I want it to last for a few days, I always hit my roots with a little bit of dry shampoo just for preventative maintenance. And this one is the oil absorbing shampoo. It's a volume dry shampoo by Kenra. Next, I'm gonna go in with this texturizing taffy. So this is what it looks like, and it literally smells like candy. It smells so good. So I'm just gonna take a little tiny dab of this. You really don't need much at all. It's just about that much. And I'm gonna rub it between my palms just to warm it up. And then I'm gonna run this mainly through the ends of my hair. This is just gonna give the ends a little bit of texture. It's gonna define the curls a little bit more and give it that piecey look. This is totally optional. I just personally like the way it looks. The last step is to top it off with a little bit of hairspray. This one is the Extra Firm Hold Hairspray by Kenra. So it's a level 21 of 25, so it's a pretty strong hold. And when I use this, I really feel like it helps with flyaways, and it keeps my hair from like frizzing out or falling flat. So I'm just gonna kind of lift it up, so just to give it body, and then I'm gonna spray in between that. So here is the finished product. This is how I wear my hair almost every single day, and like I said, these curls will last for like 2 to 3 days. I don't do anything special. I just run my fingers through it and I'm good to go. I hope you found this hair tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.